Easy English words. Job. Tailor. Tailor. The tailor is sewing a shirt. The tailor is sewing a shirt. Penjahit sedang menjahit kemeja. Model. Model. The model walks the runway confidently. The model walks the runway confidently. Model berjalan di atas panggung dengan percaya diri. Fashion designer. Fashion designer. Lina is a fashion designer. Lina is a fashion designer. Lina adalah seorang perancang busana. Hairdresser. Hairdresser. The hairdresser styles my hair beautifully. The hairdresser styles my hair beautifully. Penata rambut menata rambutku dengan indah. Barber. Barber. The barber shaved my hair. The barber shaved my hair. Tukang cukur mencukur rambutku. Painter. Painter. The painter uses vibrant colors. The painter uses vibrant colors. Pelukis menggunakan warna-warna cerah. Photographer. Photographer. The photographer captures landscape photography. The photographer captures landscape photography. Fotografer menangkap foto pemandangan. Sculptor. Sculptor. The sculptor carves stone sculptures. The sculptor carves stone sculptures. Pemahat mengukir patung batu. Actor. Actor. An actor act in a play. An actor act in a play. Seorang aktor berperan dalam sebuah drama. Cameraman. Cameraman. The cameraman films action scenes. The cameraman films action scenes. Kameramen merekam adegan aksi. Singer. Singer. The singer performs in live concerts. The singer performs in live concerts. Penyanyi tampil di konser langsung. Dancer. Dancer. The dancer moves gracefully. The dancer moves gracefully. Penari bergerak dengan anggun. Guitarist. Guitarist. The guitarist plays a guitar. The guitarist plays a guitar. Gitaris memainkan gitar. Pianist. Pianist. The pianist plays music beautifully. The pianist plays music beautifully. Pianis memainkan musik dengan indah. Violinist. Violinist. The violinist plays violin solos. The violinist plays violin solos. Violinist memainkan solo biola. Conductor. Conductor. The conductor leads the symphony orchestra. The conductor leads the symphony orchestra. Konduktor memimpin orkestra simfoni.